Hello students, it's a great opportunity that we are now organizing a video recording competition, Abhiroop, and of course, I'm sure you have all got hidden talents amongst yourself and you will be able to come out with very good videos. Interesting topics are there and the hidden talents would obviously also be rewarded in the end as a competition. So it is an invite practically for all, one and all, come forward, prepare your videos and drive into that competition. Best wishes.
I am very glad to know that a student of management, they under the umbrella of Introspection Management Club, they are organizing a group. Under that, they are going to have the video competitions for the awareness about the environmental awareness programs, motivation for the online life, road safety, and entertainment with learning and women's empowerment and youth responsibility. This kind of video definitely will not only aware the students but society at large. I convey my good wishes to all the team members of this club, as well my congratulations to them for organizing such event.
Hello students and welcome to this new competition being organized under the aegis of Introspection, the management club at SMS Lucknow. This new contest, Abhiroop, is a video making contest that involves showing your creativity, making videos, especially focusing on the road safety initiative taken by the UP government. So I invite all SMS students to participate in this event and show their talent.
Hello students, I am Aanchal Nigam, working as Assistant Professor in School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. I am the faculty coordinator for this event, I said creative event, that is Abhiroop. I want to congratulate all the students first of all for participating in such an innovative event. Keeping in mind the road safety program, we have also inculcated different topics like environmental awareness, youth importance, road safety issues. So all the very best to all the students. Do your best.
Hello students, myself Smita Tripathi. I am Assistant Professor in SMS Engineering College, Lucknow. Today I am here to wish you all the students very best for the event Abhiroop. I also wish to all the students coordinator for smooth conduction of the event. So do your best and make the event successful. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Suchita Vishwakarma, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. The Introspection Club of the Management students brings to you a videography event named Abhiroop. So go wild, be participative, because camera is just a tool where you can showcase how you think, how you want to see the things around you. So go explore. All the best from my side. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Dr. Anurag Srivastava from School of Management Sciences. Our students of Management Department, they are going to organize under the aegis of Introspection the program Abhiroop, in which students can participate by preparing a video on environment safety, motivation, road safety and issues concerned to the society. So I urge and appeal all of you to prepare and use your best of creativity and come with nice videos which can help people to understand things better and make life easier. So participate everyone, wish you good luck, thank you very much.
Hello participants, I am Dr. Hemant Kumar Singh, heading Department of Computer Science and Application at SMS Lucknow. And our students are going to organize an event, that is Abhiroop, a video making event. So we are expecting a huge amount of participation from our students and outside students, and hoping for great success of this event. And it is a great platform for all of you for showing your talent. Thank you.
students, my name is Dr. Jyoti Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. As I am seeing the excitement level of students, because the students of Introspection Club is going to organize one event named Abhirup. So they are also giving you a platform for showcasing your talent. So now come forward and move forward from your ideal steps and just show your talent that you have, and just renown your name and just spread your name among the students, among the faculty, so that we can also just identify you with your names, with your talent, with your specific skills that you are going to show in this particular event.
A very good afternoon to all the students of SMS Lucknow. I am Dr. Shrinkla Srivastava from Department of Humanities and Applied Sciences from the same college SMS, and I would strongly recommend all of you to actively participate in this video making competition, namely Abhirup.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Sujata Sinha. I am from the Department of Humanities and Applied Sciences. I'm really happy that students in management have launched this forum, Introspection. And under the aegis of that, we have Abhirup. And this time we are going ahead with the video making competition. And I'm really happy with this. I really feel that this COVID pandemic is bringing out the creativity of all our students who are working behind the scenes and taking advantage of this online platform for several different types of contexts. And this time video making, and there are several themes, and one of them is traffic. Can you believe it? How much traffic do we have on this road? But does it mean that we should not abide by traffic rules? So I invite as much participation as it is possible. Everybody's got a smartphone, so please don't tell me that you can't make a video. Please read the rules. The students will be helping you out with all your queries. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Divyanshi Awasthi. We are going to launch an event which is presented by Introspection Club named Abhirup. I know you guys are excited for the event, and I want this excitement to be consistent till the event.
Hi, this is Prakhar from MBA. एंड गाइज वी नो कि हम सब एक इवेंट के लिए तैयार हैं जिसका नाम है अभिरूप, और बहुत ही ज्यादा एसएमएस फैमिली एक्साइटेड है बिकॉज एक अम्ब्रेला के नीचे हम सबको ये बेंचमार्क प्रूफ करना है इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशंस में कि हम सारे यूथ पावर्स दिखाएं अपनी पावर, अपने छुपे टैलेंट्स को इस अभिरूप इवेंट के साथ।
तो अभी तक आपको सबको मोटिवेशन के पता चल गया होगा। फिलहाल अब बात कर लेते वीडियो कैसे रिकॉर्ड करनी है। घर पे एक स्मार्टफोन होना चाहिए, सभी के पास होता है। कुछ नहीं करना, वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का बटन ऑन करना है और अपनी इमेजिनेशन को कैमरा में उतारना है। बस इतना सा करना है। जितनी स्किल है सब लगा देना, सारा टैलेंट दिखा देना और बूस्टअप करना खुद को जितना कर पाओ, और जितनी अच्छी वीडियो बनेगी ना उतना नाम होने वाला है। तो पार्ट जरूर लेना और अपने टैलेंट को हमें जरूर दिखाना। थैंक यू सो मच।
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शिवम पांडे है और मैं स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट साइंसेज MBA का फर्स्ट ईयर का स्टूडेंट हूँ। गाइज, हम एक क्रांति लाने जा रहे हैं रिलेटेड टू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डिजिटल इंडिया। इस क्रांति का नाम है अभिरूप। आप बताओगे, आप शो करोगे कि क्यों SMS इस पूरे इंडिया का सबसे बेस्ट स्कूल है। अपने टैलेंट को दिखाओ और जोश के साथ दिखाओ, ये आपको बहुत आगे ले जाएगा डेफिनेटली। थैंक यू।
हाय एवरीवन, आई एम संजना सिंह फ्रॉम MBA। आप सब लोग जितने एक्साइटेड हैं इस इवेंट को लेके शुरू से लॉन्च होने से पहले, वो एक्साइटमेंट लास्ट तक रखिएगा।
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज़ स्वाति सिंह फ्रॉम MBA फर्स्ट ईयर, योर इवेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर। गाइस, आपका ये जो इवेंट होने जा रहा है उसमें आप बहुत अच्छे से अच्छा परफॉर्म करिएगा।